Welcome to the Seedium Tech Insider, your inside look at how modern digital products are built. From the latest tech trends to behind-the-scenes project insights, we share the best practices to help you move from idea to impact with clarity.
Hi there, my name is Mykhailo. With me today is Victor, of our leading, probably one of the best UI UX designer that I met, and I met many of them during my last 8 years of being the Seedium web agency founder, and we are cooperating with many UI UX designer, and Victor is one of the best. For how many years of professional experience do you have? 10, 15?
I don't
20?
count after like the first dozen, yeah. Like I guess like 15 years, yeah.
After 10, we stop to count.
Yeah, it's not like right thing, yeah, when you...
So definitely Victor is the person who is best fit to provide insights about design tools, and many related topics. So basically, I hope this interview, this conversation will be helpful to startup founders, to for companies who are working with designers, basically to designers, to UI UX designers. So let's start. Let's start with probably the most hyped topic is AI in design. So many conversation on the market that AI will take over our jobs, that you don't need humans in software development anymore. And what do you think, how you see the situation with UI UX design, whether we still need designers on the software development projects?
Yeah, like there are like no, I guess, right answer, yeah, about this like topic. What I definitely can say that AI wave, it brought new responsibility on a table, on a designer's table. Yeah, so now everyone like expects like more from designer. Yeah, like you can prepare like more polished, I would say, copies. Yeah, text for for a website, for a mobile application. Yeah, you can cover it by like for like some basic level. Yeah, you can generate a lot of things. You can generate even like a lot of ideas. A few days ago, Google presented Stitch, second version, I guess. Yeah, so it can do like amazing things. So I think it didn't replace like some responsibilities of these designers. It's added new things. It's added more expectations to clients, and now even like clients, like our clients, like Seedium clients, yeah, they usually come and say like, okay, we want to solve some issue, yeah, like if they have, yeah, or we want to meet like some goals, yeah, or we have like idea, yeah, and they heard about like AI can do like everything, yeah, and it's like raises a bar, yeah, like guys, what can you do? Like we heard like, yeah, that's some designers can do like amazing things, but yeah, it's just like one side. Yeah, another one is like we have to be prepared. Bar is very high now, and if you just like not on this ship, yeah, and you don't know what is going on there, I guess that it could be trouble for this person in the nearest future.
Okay. Actually, for just today, I saw the jokes, probably the joke, that if you want to catch up with AI development, you need full-time concentration just to follow it.
Yeah, I agree.
But to summarize your answer, I can say that basically right now AI is not replacing UI UX designers. It's increasing productivity of them. It's increasing like expectations from product owners, but still we need designers on the projects.
Like this like evolution of the title. Now I saw some titles that's like interface engineering or like something like this one, yeah. 5 years ago, everyone switched from UI UX design to product designer, yeah. Before this, we had web designers, yeah. In like zeros, we had like, just like designer, yeah. So how it replaced, I guess it replaced like some responsibilities and some skills, of course. Yeah, but does it mean that you can replace like some junior designers? I think that I know like in some cases when where is it true? Yeah, because like in some projects, yeah, where I were involved 2 years or 1 year ago, yeah, it's almost possible to replace, especially like 2D artists. Yeah, if you need like super simple illustration and you have like a few references, yeah, and you need like to do something simple, yeah, of course.
Actually, I can share it for like our experience in general and experience of cooperating of Victor with our product owners, and I can see that like it's hard to replace for how you deal with product owners because you bring on the table a lot of expertise, a lot of experience with failures, a lot of experience with success stories, and you can share it with product owner. It's hard to get such kind of insights from AI so far. And I would say, correct me if I'm wrong, but a lot of responsibilities of UI UX designer is when you're communicating with product owners, when you gather for product vision, when you're sharing your experience, when you're giving your recommendation, when you're creating something new from nothing. And that's the main for, I would say, Jim, the main for secret sauce of successful designers. And moreover, I can say that there's like differentiator between senior designers and, let's say, less senior designers.
Yeah, that's all about the goal, yeah. Well, like when you open like the most popular books for UX designers or about design, yeah, or about like problem solving, yeah, and there you will find there like one main idea, yeah, why, yeah, why we're doing and what we're doing, yeah. So here the same. It's about like not what we are going to do. That's like why we're going to do, how it will be used, yeah, and who will use it, yeah, or not. Yeah, so and when we are talking with stakeholders or like clients in Seedium, yeah, they just can come and say like, guys, we need like some developers, yeah, or guys, we need like some, I don't know, some presentation, for instance, yeah. What stays behind it? Yeah, with like some experience, you understand that okay, something is behind it. People just don't want to hire like Java developers, yeah, or like one designer for what, yeah. Yeah, they're trying to solve something, yeah. And like if you go deeper, yeah, you can like ask why, yeah, and they could say like, okay, we just need like presentation to, you know, to get like some investments or just to show other things, yeah, and etc. And behind this, like when you know the core request, yeah, you can say, guys, maybe you don't need like these Java developers, yeah, and designer, yeah, maybe you just need like I don't know, AI engineer, yeah, who can, I don't know, create like right prompt, yeah, and you will get what you want. Do you need like this presentation? No.
I can say, in addition, I can say that many times when our clients came to us and say like, we need like product development with such criteria, like for, we're like, okay, how many users are you expecting? They're like hundreds of thousands. It's true stories. And we're like, okay, it's good, sounds good, but did you make such things to prove that you need for architecture and product development for the project for hundreds, thousands of users? And eventually, we figure out that no, they didn't make this homework, and we're like, probably it makes more sense for you to develop small thing like proof of concept and try it with real clients and then commit with more budgets. And with in our history, we saved many times a lot of budgets for our clients with such scenario. Let's talk about common mistakes that founders, stakeholders are making when they're dealing with UI UX designers. Based on your experience, what you can highlight?
On the first place that you mentioned it, yeah, like when someone wants to do something and they didn't do their homework, yeah, and it's not like about design because like it's about like envision of the product. Yeah, if you like even talked with like some accelerators programs for startups. Now the first exercise, what you will do there, it's like validate your idea. Yeah, like have you found like the market fit or not? Yeah, how you can do it, and there you will see a lot of things from like design. Design is not it's not about like creating something. Yeah, and it's about thinking again and again, iterating again and again, and checking will this work or not. Yeah, and then the most important thing that's guys, you have to like validate it. Yeah, and after that, maybe you will not need a designer. Yeah, yeah, and other things, it's like expecting that if we do something, yeah, we have to copy some like big players, yeah, on the market.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
but here, like, they big, yeah, so they are huge, they are successful. Okay, yeah, but
They have different budgets. They have
of course,
different.
yeah, just like let's copy them and do, and we'll have the same. No, because a lot of things is going on under the hood, yeah, and it's almost impossible understand like how it works there. And if you just copy them, you will copy the color. You will not copy the all other processes. Yeah, and but here also is an advantage, the biggest one. Yeah, big companies they can change their direction. Yeah, in a few days, in a few months. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
small group of like enthusiasts, I would say. Yeah, they can find the problems in the product of big players. Yeah, they can identify them. They can test them. Yeah, and like do their product in different way.
So if you're not Facebook, take advantage of your size, make
Yeah.
keywords as much as possible, as many as possible, and be successful.
Oh yeah, sounds like a slogan.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's rock. We talked about common mistakes of founders, of stakeholders. What do you think about recommendations to founders, to stakeholders, how to choose the right UI UX designer?
If I say I don't know, I guess that's what it will be like a wrong answer. It's not like what we are going to share, yeah, with the people. Yeah, but my recommendation, yeah, and that's how I act usually with the people I meet in teams, yeah, in products. Uh, the first, for me, it's very important to understand like, what these potential colleagues are doing yeah, during like their like professional business day, yeah, and after that. If we're talking about like career, yeah, I would ask like, okay, like, can you compare yourself with you like in the future? Very super boring question. Yeah, a lot of people will say like, oh, like we hate them, but you will get like the envision of person. Yeah, like okay, does this person has like some understanding of like of the growth or not? And after that, I usually ask, okay, can you compare right now like uh, you with you yourself like but 1 year ago? Where is the difference? Yeah, and usually here, like the most interesting thing happens. People start now thinking, okay, what like happened? And for me, this like a signal. Yeah, like if you see that the person started to think, yeah, my guess that it's not like easy to understand like what's changed, yeah, but maybe this person changed like a lot of things, yeah, and he or she just like thinking about okay, what I should like to do there, yeah. But usually if like just like answer is like I don't know, like nothing, yeah, or like some basic things, yeah, for me it means that person like didn't build like this plan for improving like skills. Yeah, I'm not talking about like hard skills. Yeah, it could be like an AI. Yeah. So this like the first one, and I strongly recommend to find like a designer who like is growing. Yeah, who like thinks about like how I can improve something. Because if this person wants to improve something, this person will provide a lot of ideas, crazy ideas, maybe like bad ideas, good ideas, but you will have a like list. Yeah, like
Yeah,
how we can do it.
source of
Yeah.
inspiration.
Yeah, maybe you don't need it. Yeah, maybe you just need to have a presentation. Yeah, and this is like not like the right approach, and you just want to have like a doer. Okay, it works too. Yeah, yeah. The second one, I guess that's like what person, of course, like can do, how this person does it, and the third one, it's like how what this candidate, yeah, do like in like free time, yeah, after like I call it after school time, yeah, like in some books, yeah, like I don't know, like maybe like classes, that dance classes or other thing. For me, it's very important, very interesting, yeah. Mm, just like maybe I will find touch points, yeah, when we like discuss, and it means for me that we can discuss it during the work. As you see, like for me, it's more about development and maybe like soft skills. Of course, like hard skills are super important now, but I think I can't work with the guys with the hard skills, yeah, but without soft skills or without like plan or development.
I remember for one suggestion that don't hire the person with whom you wouldn't like to spend for cross-Atlantic flight. So
Oh my God.
cross-Atlantic
Yeah,
flight
yeah,
is
yeah.
like 7 hours or something. So if you don't want to spend 7 hours for in small place
Yeah,
with the
yeah,
person,
yeah.
don't hire this person.
Yeah, yeah, why not?
Uh,
But it depends on goals. Yeah, if you have a vision, yeah, you have like I don't know, clear understanding of what you want to do. Yeah, why not? You just can to hire like the like a good doer. Yeah, he will do it. You will be happy. He will be happy. Everyone will be happy. But we are talking like about customers who in their beginning, yeah, I guess here they need another person.
um, I can say that really like soft skills match between developer or designer and product owner is such a unique thing. It's like a chemistry, whether it
Mm-hmm.
works or not. So, and you never know. And always in Seedium, we try to make several interviews with several people. So
Uh-huh.
client can feel whether with whom he or she is more comfortable to work with. And it happens a lot that like higher level developers didn't find there much with clients, but they were more comfortable with probably less senior guys, but who like were on the same page with them. And yeah, it's interesting how it works. I hope your answers with practical suggestions were really valuable for founders, for stakeholders, and they can take practical advantage for selecting UI UX designers. Thank you for this. Probably my last question would be a bit tricky. Like, what important question I didn't ask you.
That's about like maybe about like what I will not let me like rephrase it, yeah. I ask like maybe similar question when I'm talking with some clients, yeah. Like we can't like share like name of our clients, yeah. But a few months ago, yeah, I was talking with one of the co-founder with a huge experience in IT, yeah, and that was like the third, I guess, talk with their team, yeah, and ask them, okay, like what you will not do, yeah, in your product. And they said like, listen, yeah, Victor, we will not like use like dark patterns, yeah, we will not like use like all these things, yeah. So yeah, for me, like I understand that if like CEO of the company, yeah, like the main person like of the group, yeah, says this, yeah, it means for me it's like what kind of people in his team. I guess they have the same vision, yeah. If they have the same vision, they build like the same process, yeah. So they will work with the same like I think, yeah, like guys who like have the same opinion about it. What you didn't ask me, yeah, and that's like well like a red flag, yeah. Like so for me, like red flags, then people say like, okay, guys, we just will do it because we need to, you know, like increase our revenue, yes, like some KPIs, rates, and I know chunk rate, like other things, yeah. So for me, this like a red flag, and I will not work with these people. But the green flag, yeah, that's like when people like say, you know, like this like what we are doing because we're thinking like some explanations, yeah. Yeah, I guess this like more important than just like no.
Thank you for sharing. It was a big pleasure to having you today, and yeah, I hope it's not the last time. And yeah, thank you for insights. I hope it was helpful, insightful for our listeners. And yeah, see
Yeah.
you next time.
Thank you, thank you. I guess like you know what we can do like here, we can add in description yeah links to our favorite books. Yeah, I know like
Yeah,
you're the
for
one.
sure.
Yeah, what you recommended here, and from my side, yeah, I'll share a few of them.
Well, and if there will be comments, if there will be questions, we promise to answer and communicate.
Yeah, no problem. I will be
Yeah,
happy.
thank you, Victor.
Thank you for having me. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.
Looking to speed up product development without sacrificing quality? Seedium provides dedicated teams of experienced designers and engineers to help you build, launch, and scale faster. Proven in-house talent since 2017. Deep expertise across 15 plus industries. AI-assisted workflows for up to 2 times faster delivery. Visit seedium.io to learn more. Let's build something great together.